AI is stepping up to protect wildlife, and it's a game changer in saving species from extinction. Conservationists are using technology to ensure our planet's biodiversity thrives. Take rhinos, for example. AI is revolutionizing how we keep these magnificent creatures safe. With drones soaring above, researchers capture real-time images, alerting teams to poaching threats. Smart tracking systems allow us to monitor their movements, making sure they roam freely and safely in their habitats. But it's not just land animals getting a boost from AI. Ocean life, especially coral reefs, desperately needs attention. AI helps scientists assess reef health by analyzing images and identifying coral bleaching events. This data guides effective restoration efforts, ensuring vibrant underwater worlds continue to flourish. Moreover, AI-driven technologies like remote sensing are transforming our understanding of entire ecosystems. With the ability to track species diversity, researchers can make informed decisions that truly benefit our planet. So, join this exciting journey into the future where AI and wildlife conservation work hand in hand. Like, subscribe, and share the message about how technology can help nature thrive. Animals around the world are facing relentless threats from illegal poaching, habitat destruction, and climate change. These issues not only endanger countless species, but also upset the delicate balance of entire ecosystems. With the crisis deepening, it's clear that finding innovative solutions has never been more critical. We need fresh approaches to ensure the survival of our planet's incredible wildlife. Enter artificial intelligence, a game-changing tool that's making waves in wildlife conservation. With its amazing ability to process massive amounts of data and spot patterns, AI is revolutionizing how we track animal populations and combat poaching. Cool technologies like drone surveillance and automated camera traps are proving to be invaluable, allowing conservationists to protect wildlife in real time and stay one step ahead of the bad guys. The fight to save our planet's wildlife is getting an exciting upgrade. AI isn't just something from the future. It's a friendly ally in our quest to preserve biodiversity. By embracing technology, we can greatly enhance our efforts to protect vulnerable species and tackle environmental threats more effectively. Together, we can ensure a brighter future for wildlife. Camera traps are powerful tools in wildlife research. They capture images of animals in their natural habitats, giving researchers priceless insights into life in the wild. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence is speeding up this process and making it even more effective? With the latest advancements in AI technology, researchers can now scan through thousands of camera trap photos in no time. This smart tech can recognize different animal species, track their movements, and study behaviors much faster than any human could manage. Imagine that. Researchers can devote their time to conservation efforts, focusing on what really matters. The impact of AI on wildlife studies is significant. It not only saves a lot of time, but also reduces the chances of human error. This leads to more reliable data on animal populations and their behaviors, helping us understand ecosystems better. Looking ahead, as AI technology continues to grow, the future of monitoring wildlife is looking brighter. Picture automated systems gathering data from remote areas we can't easily reach, bridging the gaps in our knowledge, and guiding us to protect biodiversity for generations to come. Acoustic monitoring is a fascinating and vital tool in understanding our planet's health. Imagine standing in a lush forest or beside a calm ocean, where sounds tell stories about the creatures living there and the activities affecting their habitats. With the help of artificial intelligence, we can analyze these sounds in real time. This innovative technology lets us detect everything from birds singing in the treetops to the alarming noises of gunshots or chainsaws cutting down trees. It's amazing how AI can listen to the environment and help us understand what's happening, acting almost like an extra pair of ears dedicated to conservation. For instance, when AI picks up a distress call from a wildlife species or the roar of an illegal chainsaw, it provides crucial data. This info is vital, guiding conservationists to take action and protect these areas. By monitoring sounds in real time, we can tackle environmental threats quickly and effectively. Using this technology ensures that we can all be part of the journey to safeguard our beautiful natural world. So let's support these exciting efforts. The scene opens with sweeping aerial views of a vast national park, where the sun glistens through the trees. Drones equipped with cutting-edge technology gracefully glide above the landscape, showcasing their vital role in combating poaching. These aren't just flying cameras. They're smart drones with AI-powered vision that can spot suspicious movements in real time. As these drones patrol, the narrator describes their incredible ability to analyze data on the fly. When they detect something unusual, whether it's a person lingering too long near a protected area or tracks that don't belong, they spring into action, sending instant alerts straight to park rangers. Imagine the rangers responding quickly, eyes focused, ready to protect these majestic creatures. The urgency of these alerts is crucial, making sure that every second counts in the fight against poaching. With the help of this technology, poaching incidents have seen a significant drop. The narrator wraps up by reflecting on how innovation is not just for cities. It's essential for safeguarding our wildlife and ensuring that future generations can enjoy the beauty of nature. Biologists face immense challenges in tracking endangered species like elephants, rhinos, and tigers. Understanding their migration paths is crucial for their survival. These magnificent creatures roam vast landscapes. Knowing where they travel can make all the difference in conservation efforts. Artificial intelligence is shaking things up in wildlife conservation. By using GPS technology, AI enables scientists to monitor animal movements in real time. This means they can track how these animals navigate their habitats, uncovering vital information about their needs and behaviors. It's like having a real-time window into the lives of these incredible creatures. But tracking is just the beginning. AI taps into predictive models to identify potential risks these animals face. By analyzing data patterns, researchers can spot threats such as habitat loss or poaching before they happen. This foresight allows conservationists to act proactively, ensuring these animals stay safe. The combination of AI and dedicated biologists leads to a brighter future where we can protect and nurture endangered species. Let's celebrate the power of technology as it aids in safeguarding our planet's wildlife. Predictive habitat modeling is a fascinating approach that plays a crucial role in wildlife conservation. By harnessing the power of AI, we can analyze environmental and climate data to make informed decisions about protecting our planet's biodiversity. AI steps in as a powerful tool, sifting through mountains of data far quicker than we ever could. It identifies patterns and trends that help us understand how changes in our environment might affect different species. Imagine having a detailed roadmap predicting shifts in wildlife habitats before they happen. The magic happens when AI makes future habitat predictions. For instance, it can forecast how rising temperatures or altered rainfall patterns might impact where animals live or migrate. These insights are invaluable. It's like having a crystal ball for nature. With this information, we can plan protected zones specifically tailored to shelter wildlife from the threats of climate change. By making the right strategic decisions now, we can ensure that ecosystems remain healthy and vibrant. So remember, integrating AI into conservation isn't just smart, it's essential. Support efforts to protect our wildlife and stay engaged with the changes happening around us. Wildlife trafficking is a serious global issue that impacts our planet's biodiversity and natural ecosystems. Each year, countless animals are taken from their habitats, leading to devastating consequences for wildlife populations. But there's hope. Innovative technology is stepping in to help combat this problem. Enter artificial intelligence. This remarkable tool is now being used to scan online markets, social media channels, and shipping manifests. It's designed to detect illegal wildlife trade patterns, making it a powerful ally for law enforcement and conservation organizations. This technology swiftly identifies suspicious activities, helping to protect threatened species. For instance, imagine the shock as AI uncovers illegal sales of endangered species, revealing just how prevalent this crime is. These discoveries highlight the urgent need for action to safeguard our wildlife and the delicate ecosystems they inhabit. So what can you do? Educate yourself and support organizations working tirelessly against wildlife trafficking. Together, we can make a real difference. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is making waves in marine conservation. With the help of underwater drones and sonar technology, we're uncovering vital insights about our oceans. Advanced sonar systems are actively monitoring coral reefs, picking up on subtle signs of coral bleaching due to rising sea temperatures. These drones, with their high-resolution cameras, provide scientists with detailed images, making it easier to track the health of these beautiful ecosystems. By assessing the state of the corals, we can develop smarter conservation strategies to protect them. But it's not just about corals. AI is also keeping an eye on fish populations. By analyzing intriguing trends in their movements and breeding patterns, we're finding ways to sustain local fisheries while ensuring marine life thrives. And let's not forget the fight against illegal fishing. Underwater drones equipped with AI patrol our oceans, quickly spotting any unauthorized activities. They send real-time alerts to authorities, making it much easier to enforce rules and protect our precious marine biodiversity. Through this innovative technology, AI is driving impactful changes in marine conservation. It's heartening to see how we can all play a part in protecting our oceans for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of rewilding and species reintroduction, a vital effort to restore biodiversity and bring ecological balance back to our planet's native ecosystems. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an incredible ally in these programs. By crunching vast amounts of data, AI helps model success rates for reintroducing various species and predicts which environments will be most welcoming for their return. Imagine having a powerful tool designed purely to ensure wildlife can thrive once again. Monitoring the progress of these reintroduced species is just as crucial. Here, AI systems step in to track everything from animal populations to habitat changes. These insights enable conservationists to fine-tune their strategies, ensuring every step taken supports a healthy ecosystem. It's an ongoing dance between data and nature. Thanks to these innovative techniques, we've seen several species successfully return to their native homes. Collaborating with cutting-edge technology, we are paving the way for even greater achievements in restoring the beauty of our planet's biodiversity. Join in and support these essential initiatives. Our Earth needs it. As climate change reshapes our world, the delicate balance of nature is thrown into chaos. Habitats that once thrived are struggling to survive. But here's where AI steps in. Picture a team of dedicated conservationists armed with advanced technology. They're using artificial intelligence to sift through mountains of data. Imagine drones soaring through the skies, capturing images of endangered species in remote areas, while machine learning algorithms calculate the best ways to support their recovery. With AI, resources are allocated more efficiently, ensuring the most vulnerable habitats receive the protection they desperately need. In real time, these smart tools empower conservationists. Together, we can embrace AI in conservation and support the efforts to protect our ecosystems for future generations. In the ever-evolving world of conservation, education plays a crucial role. Today, we're diving into how AI is truly transforming how we learn about our environment. Imagine navigating interactive maps that show real-time changes in ecosystems. These tools aren't just informative, they engage us, allowing us to visualize the beauty of nature while understanding the urgent need for protection. Now, let's talk about simulations. These aren't your typical classroom tools. Instead, they let us step into the shoes of conservationists, trying out different strategies to see what really works. For instance, one simulation illustrates the effects of deforestation, making us think twice before taking action that could harm our planet. And if you think that's cool, wait until you try virtual reality. It's like stepping into another world, experiencing the wonders of nature firsthand. That emotional connection strengthens our resolve to take action for conservation. So why not check out these amazing tools? Join in, share your experiences, and let's work together to protect our environment for future generations. As we reach the end of our journey, let's take a moment to recap the incredible technologies we explored today. We examined how AI enhances camera traps and drones, which are changing the game for wildlife monitoring. These remarkable tools allow conservationists to track various species and gather valuable data without interrupting their natural habitats. With this tech, we can better understand and protect our wildlife. Next, we delved into acoustic monitoring, such a fascinating method capturing the sounds of forests. It lets us assess biodiversity and learn about ecosystem health in a non-intrusive way, making it easier for us to help maintain the balance of nature. Moving to our oceans, we discussed advanced technologies in the fight against poaching. From underwater drones to real-time surveillance systems, these innovations are crucial in protecting vulnerable marine species and the treasures of our oceans. Finally, we explored rewilding and habitat protection. By restoring ecosystems and creating wildlife corridors, we're ensuring a sustainable future for nature and humanity alike. Thanks for joining me today. Let's continue embracing technology and conservation, working hand in hand to protect our planet for generations to come. Did you know that AI isn't just for tech geeks? It's now a hero in the world of wildlife conservation. Technology is becoming a crucial ally in the fight to protect endangered species and their habitats. With AI, we're not just crunching numbers, we're saving lives and ecosystems. In the field, AI is working its magic in so many ways. Imagine drones soaring above national parks, spotting poachers before they can cause harm. Machine learning algorithms analyze patterns in animal behavior, helping us understand when and where to protect them best. This real-time data is changing the game for conservationists everywhere. Let's look at some success stories. In places where AI tools have been implemented, we've seen remarkable increases in populations of threatened species, as well as a dramatic decline in poaching rates. It shows that when technology meets nature, amazing things happen. But it's not just about machines, it's about people too. Local communities are getting involved, empowered by AI tools that help them protect their environments. When everyone plays a part, we make a real impact. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Future Frame AI, and ring the bell to stay updated on tech's role in defending our wild planet.